Good morning. I'm pleased to report the weather has settled down, the gale has stopped blowing, it's almost a little bit warm, and I'm descending a lot of meters, I can't remember how much, down to the Dead Sea. I'm going to camp beneath sea level tonight. Oh, I miss Greek Orthodox churches so much. This mosaic is the oldest known map of Palestine, uncovered about 150 years ago. You've got the Dead Sea, here is Jerusalem and Bethlehem. Apart from that, I can't read it. That's north, west, east, south. So lovely to be back amongst the iconography and art of an Orthodox church, with St. George slaying his dragon as well. Be another church, but 30 years ago it was revealed to be a very fancy mansion. This one was a church though. Oh, here's a saucy one. From the bell tower down into the same church's crypt, I found a very hot and sweaty maze of tunnels to explore. And finally, just about able to identify a Jordanian supermarket, which must mean it's time for me to leave the country. Canned hummus. Not today. Yes. Oh, there, I forgot it's Ramadan. I was about to get stuck into my little chocolate biscuit. Maybe inside the shop? No, I'll go and find somewhere to hide. Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. Hello. Hello. And it's me, Helen. Esmek A. Jeez. Check out this kid. Casually flying his kite beside the pylons. Here's my first GoPro time-lapse attempt. It seems in lowering the resolution, I've lost the image stabilization. How was that? Am I pointing it in the right direction? Hope so. This is my practice run for descending to the Dead Sea. It's about 700 meters down to regular sea level, and then a bonus 500 more meters down to Dead Sea sea level. Another Crusader castle over there, but I quickly ruled it out when I saw what was involved in getting. I'm at sea level, but the sea's all the way down there. It's so quiet. I can just hear birdsong, bit of wind. There's nobody here, so I'm having some sneaky eats. And tomorrow, inshallah, I cross into Israel. So Ramadan goes away a little bit. I am so underprepared. I don't know what I'm in for. Let me clarify. Tomorrow, hopefully, I take the Allenby Bridge into Palestine, and then from Palestine, I will hopefully enter Israel proper to Jerusalem. I don't even know the correct wording to use. I am nervous about this border crossing. I find it a bit stressful to be beneath sea level. Like the sensation when you're in a tunnel underneath the sea, like I might drown at any minute. Weird. Not looking forward to climbing back out in the morning. But for now, let's have a bob about in the Dead Sea. Okay. Maybe it's easier to get in by all the rubbish. This salt is very spiky on the feet. I'm quite nervous. Okay, here goes nothing. So far so normal. And floating. Okay, yeah, that's pretty fun. Curious Jordanian bread. I'm not sure if it's meant to be eaten with hummus or something else, but that's what I found today. Of course, I overlooked swimming in the Dead Sea without having access to a shower has made me feel quite itchy and salty all over. And I filmed everything on the GoPro in slow-mo today, so it's been a big day, and tomorrow is one of the scariest border crossings, so I should get some sleep. Good night.